Hi, so I'm back after I finish a single coat of paint on these two pieces. So far it looks good, except for one part where I noticed that the color is not as smooth as the other doors that originally came with the cabinet. So these are my replacement doors. So I don't know either my painting skills are not as good as supposed to be, but anyways, this is a close-up. This thing is drying up and I'm waiting for this to settle down, and hopefully these bubbles will go away. I hope these bubbles will go away because it doesn't look good. But anyways, it is still drying and this one is still wet, so I'm just waiting for these two pieces to dry and then I will paint the other side.